Now we have a piece of paper in front of you. You guys are, all of you guys are going to come up with your own safety tip. Can you do that? Like we said, we need to wear a helmet when we're biking. So you're going to draw a picture of the safety tip. So remember the dog was going like this with electric storm? Or he was jumping up like this when he sat in an attack, right?
Yeah.
Maybe if you did the biking one, you could be on your bike with a helmet. So what can you guys draw? Go ahead, you can draw and color it in so you'll tell the rest of the class what your safety tip is.
And Mom and Dad.
Mm-hmm.
Helmet. I don't know how to draw that.
Think of what your helmet looks like. What does it look like at home?
I don't know. Oh, I know what my helmet looks like.
Just try the best you can, Dawson.
I'm gonna try the best bike I never went.
Okay, what else do you need?
There. Wait. I don't draw
How
I
do you
draw
do
my
it?
thing. What do you draw? I'm not done with nothing. What are you drawing on there?
Safety tips?
Never ever go in trailers or you might break something.
See? How many wheels does the bike have?
Okay. What's making
Yes.
wheels? I'm done.
All right, hold on a second.
I'm not done.
You're not done?
I just tried that. My bike and you keep training wheels.
True. Yes. Do you still have training wheels?
Well, mine, look at.
That's all right.
Hold on a second. We'll all explain them, okay? After we're finished.
I'm finished. I'm finished. Wait. Another way. Over Melly. Where's my purple? Look how I do. Remember, I had this one right. Yeah, first this one.
Yeah.
Okay, what's it? What? It's okay. You'll be drawing of it. I can draw
You can do it. I know you can.
it. Never drawing purple because you might get wet. Good.
Ah.
Is there brown? You know the lightning bolts? Lightning bolts? Yep. Lightning bolts and... No, that's not a brown. Does anybody have a brown? Brown?
You done?
No.
Okay.
I need a... There. There. Okay.
Ah. All right, guys. Who else needs to finish up their drawing?
I do because I don't have a brown.
You don't have a brown? Should we look
I have a
one?
Oh, I have one.
Is this
Here you
brown?
go.
I have one.
No, I gave already a 9.
I'm done.
That's mine.
You done?
Thanks, Jake. I'm done.
Give it back after you're done.
I'm done now.
All right.
You already have a...
So, can you raise your hand if you're done?
Okay.
You're done?
Let me find a brown in this bowl.
Are you done yet?
Hey, I'm done.
Okay, why are you gonna see your hand up? Gotta raise your hand if you're done. See everybody except you. You're done? Okay, are you ready? Are you still working?
I'm making it.
Okay. Should we start at this side of the table and we'll make it over to you?
Yeah.
All right, the first one, I need you to hold up your picture to all your friends and tell us what safety tip you came up with.
A bike.
Hold on. Yep,
A bike.
a bike. And what is the safety tip?
A helmet.
Yep, wearing your helmet, right? No, put it down.
I got 2 helmets.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Look at a bike.
Yours is a bike.
I was
And what's
the
the
first
safety
one.
tip?
I was the first
Wear a
one.
helmet.
I was the first one.
We're gonna go around the table, okay? Alright.
Okay. Never go in the kitchen if it has a lot of contact.
What is it?
Never go in the control room.
Control room? Okay. What's yours?
It's a bike.
It's a bike? Can you show your pictures to your friends, guys? There you go. Alright, you can. Alright, your turn. What does yours say? Or what is yours about?
A bike.
Is it a bike? So what's the safety tip? Always.
Helmet.
Yes. Okay, Ruby. What's yours?
Never walk up a mountain.
Never walk up a mountain with a helmet. That is a good safety tip. Okay. What's your safety tip?
I'm go on a bike. And you stop.
Okay, good job. And Jake, you're the last one. What's yours?
This is lightning bolts, and here's a dog jumping in the air.
So what happened, do you think?
It's gonna get struck.
So what's the safety tip? Don't go outside.
Never jump in the air when there's a lightning storm.
Okay, good job. Thank you guys for helping me out.
If you're in the car, you can stay